If you live in New York and you are Igbo Nigerian, this video is for you.
Am I not enough?
They said my name was too ethnic for the stage. What happened next will shock you. For years I auditioned for Broadway shows, but never got any callbacks. So I decided to blaze my own trail. I networked with all the top artistic directors and Broadway producers. I have a gift for charming, influential people. It's always opened so many doors for me, and I knew it wasn't gonna fail me now. I wrote a play that I knew would be a cultural hit. Michael loved everything about it. It was based on the life of my immigrant family. But then he hit me with a disappointing ultimatum. My heart sank. He said,
"You have to replace your Igbo name, Chinazor, with one with more universal appeal. Otherwise, I can't present it to the theater's investors. It'd be too risky to market."
I told him my name means God saves, and I change it for no one. I took my talents to social media, me and my friends went viral, and my play and film offers made us all millionaires. Comment actress if you're a natural actress.